我是悠悠中文的魏魏。Today we'll learn some really practical Chinese. Make sure you click like and follow us here to stay up to date on our new videos. Our first word today is shuì, meaning to sleep. Say with me, shuì, shuì. Can you guess what this means? 我要睡了。It means I'm going to sleep. 很好。The next word we'll cover today is 晚, meaning late or night. We've seen this character before. Do you remember what this word was in? 晚上, meaning night or evening. Good. Okay, now say with me. 晚晚 Now we can make the phrase 睡得很晚. What do you think that means? 你觉得这是什么意思？It means to sleep late. 非常好。We cover 晚 in the paid content of our beginner course. So check it out to learn more. That's all for today. Be sure to visit yoyochinese.com for more resources for learning Mandarin. I'll see you next time.